Namaste. Working harder is so last decade. Did you know productivity drops 15% after 8 hours? In the GPS world, it's not about burning the midnight oil. It's about flipping the switch on a smarter, data-powered efficiency. Ready to turn more numbers into your secret weapon? Let's dive in. Namaste and welcome to Boom of Bharat with Ramashiv Kumar. I bring you a new update each week on Global Capability Centers. Today, we will deep dive into the topic that's at the heart of every GBS leader's agenda: the data-driven efficiency, powering sustainable growth in GBS organization. For those who did not get a chance to listen to my previous episode, can click on the link below. Global Business Services, or GPS, have come a long way from being a cost-saving back offices to becoming a strategic value drivers. Remember, I mentioned to you 1994 when Amex was set up. It was more of a cost-saving back office. They have transformed the way organizations approach efficiency, scalability, and innovation. But as GPS leaders, how do we navigate the challenges of digital transformation, talent retention, and process optimization, all while driving sustainable productivity? Today, we are unpacking the power of data-driven strategies to tackle the challenges and unlock new levels of efficiency. Let's begin by setting the stage with the need for sustainable productivity in GPS. The need for sustainable productivity in GPS is very crucial. Gone are days when GBS organizations could solely focus on cost efficiency. Today, they deliver innovation and strategic value, but without burning out their workforce. Sustainable productivity is no longer a nice to have. It is a strategic imperative. Economic pressures, growing complexities, and global competition demands that GBS organizations rethink how they drive productivity, the key. And that brings us to our next segment: data-driven interventions for a long-lasting impact. How do we create that? Successful GBS organizations are using data not just as a tool, but as their North Star. By harnessing real-time insights, they are uncovering inefficiencies and implementing targeted solutions. Let me share some examples. You can optimize your resource allocation. They can help you, where are your resources underutilized, and then you could relocate them to a maximum impact. They are also, improving the process flows. Any bottlenecks which are there could help you smoother the workflows and reducing your turnaround times. And it is said that the organizations that are early implementations of these have reported up to 20% improvement. And for mature GBS operations, they are achieving near perfect quality levels and consistently exceeding productivity targets. They aren't just incremental wins, they are foundationals to bringing a culture of continuous improvement. It reminds me of a time when I was in American Express, and American Express used to have a continuous improvement culture called AMOS. The idea, how do you kill a mosquito? And I still remember that, one of my ideas got the best quarter award. And I got a cup, which my mother is still keeping that cup. So how is that, achieving a long-term growth through strategic focus? Unlocking productivity isn't just about crunching numbers, it's about aligning people, process, and technology to deliver long-term value. And as I mentioned, the organizations can focus on this by prioritizing innovation, adopting emerging technologies like AI, RPA, advanced analytics to automate routine tasks and free up talent for strategic work. As I mentioned, a culture of continuous improvement. Encourage your teams to come up with ideas. You can have a competition. You can refine those ideas. And each idea is very important. I used to always say is that, no idea is a bad idea. Let's come out with those ideas. Focus on the outcomes, not just metrics. And those outcomes could be in terms of business revenue generation, more markets, focusing on the customer satisfaction, the faster time to market, and an enhanced innovation. By integrating these elements, GBS organization can transform into a strategic value center, not just supporting the business, but driving its growth and innovation. And today in India, we have several of these examples. To wrap up, the journey to sustainable productivity is not just about working harder, but working smarter. data efficiency driven, which allows the organizations to identify inefficiencies with precision, implement impactful solutions, and foster a culture of continuous improvement that can drive a long-term growth and can help you become a more strategic partner for your business. Thank you so much for tuning into a special episode of Boom of Bharat. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights onto the ideas and innovations shaping our world. If you have any queries, thoughts, stories, or to share on the topic, love to hear from you. You can connect with me on LinkedIn, SRK Game Changers, or drop your questions on our website, srkgamechangers.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my podcast and press the bell icon for more updates. Until next time, Namaste from Boom of Bharat.